some additional weird behind the scenes for that video.
Yeah.
Do you remember the conditions that that video was filmed under?
I think it was extremely time limited, but I don't
Uh,
remember anything other than that. I know that the reason you needed a renter's solution to mount your networking crap to the wall is because you were renting from me, and I
yeah,
wouldn't let you mount anything to the wall. Is that
yeah.
what you're asking me?
No, no, it wasn't actually, but that's
Oh,
a fun little anecdote as well. Is yeah, the whole renter's solution idea, just in case you don't watch the video, is that I mounted all to like a wooden board that I could put against the wall without scrolling the board into the wall. Screwing the board into the wall because Linus wouldn't let me, but I still wanted to wall mount everything. But that was after we did the, what was it even called? It was like the Gamers versus Pros Vessel thing, the hockey video.
oh, like Nerd Sports?
Nerd Sports. That was the night of the Nerd Sports hockey video. I don't know if you remember, but that got super delayed. We were there like way too late.
Yes.
And I was supposed to film this before I flew to Switzerland.
Right.
So I had to get it done. Like there was no question. So Brandon and I are filming this. Another weird little tidbit about that video
Yeah.
is that my like socks didn't fit or something. So the laces on my, do you remember this part? The laces on my ice skates had like, oh my goodness, you found it. Oh, I guess it's on Channel Superfun now, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if this gets detailed in the video, but the laces on my ice skates were like carving my skin out, and I had these divots. I still have scars from it, even on my ankles.
Oh, man.
These videos were amazing. These videos are actually incredible.
They could have been so much better. Like it's A, amazing, and B, tragic how good they are and how much better they should have been.
Yeah.
Oh, man. We actually look not that bad here, you and me, though. Hold on, where is this?
I should have scored.
I
just
know,
watched that
I
and was
know.
disappointed.
Oh.
That was a really good pass. I think I didn't see it coming, but I should have.
Well, rebound. I didn't pass. I managed to not stuff it home.
Oh. Anyways, this whole video was filmed at I think like 11 p.m. to midnight when Brandon and I know that we can't do like retakes of anything because we both have to go catch a plane, and both of my ankles are like actively bleeding the whole time I'm trying to shoot it. Old LTT was so psycho.
Oh, man. Yeah. You know, it's funny because I often ask myself, I'm like, how is it that we have like 50 people working here now and we still make the same number of videos we always did? It's because we pushed it way too hard back then.
It was
like,
kind of nuts.
I am not a 20-something anymore. Like, I cannot push the way I used to. And are you even a 20-something anymore?
Nope.
And Luke is not a 20-something anymore. Like, we can't do it like we used to. Player 69 was me, BT Nunya. And then I think, Luke, you were 59, 57 probably.
Yeah.
That makes more sense. Yeah. Oh, YouTube. Jed Com over on Twitch is like YouTube sweatshop back in the day. No, but really, I think the statute of limitations has probably expired on most of the illegal stuff that we did in the early days of Linus Media Group. So I can start to admit it now, but like, okay, we have come a long way and we've worked really hard to adhere to all labor code and employment standards. There
was a lot of stuff that you told me, and I'm sure you told Ed, and I'm sure you told Brandon the same kind of stuff, and a lot of the other early employees. You told us not to do it, but we just kind of wanted to do it anyways. Like I can think of quite a number of, like the original Titan launch. You told me to stop many times.
Stop benchmarking.
Lots of times. But at the same time, I was like, no, I want to get this done. And I also had the ability to because I was younger.
You just didn't sleep.
I can't do that stuff anymore. I can barely go 24 hours now, and that was like 3 days or something.